Microsoft Word tutorial. Welcome to this lesson on the basics of Microsoft Word 2003. Microsoft Word 2003 is a popular tool used for creating documents. It is a fairly simple program to use for creating simple tasks. To open Microsoft Office Word 2003, click Start, then All Programs, then scroll up to Microsoft Office, then to Microsoft Office Word 2003. For this part, we'll be creating a new document, opening, saving, closing, and exiting Word. When you open Word, a new blank document is automatically created. If it is not created, you can create a new blank document by clicking on the new blank document icon. This is a picture of a blank sheet of paper below the menu bar. You can also click File, then New on the menu bar. You will see a window to the right of the screen. Click Blank New Document. A new document is created. To view, edit, or print a document, you must first open that file in Word. You can open a file by clicking on the Open Folder icon. This is a picture of a folder below the menu bar. A dialog box pops up. Click Cancel for now. You can also do this by clicking File, Open. Again, click Cancel for now. When you are working with a document, you want to make sure that you can save your work. To save your document, click the Save icon. This is a picture of a disk. A dialog box will pop up. Click Cancel for now. You can also click File, Save on the menu bar. Locate and select the folder you want to save the file. Give the document a name in the text box. When you're finished typing your document, you want to exit or close it. To close the document, click File, Close. Do this 3 times since 3 new documents were created. Notice that the Word program is still open. To exit Word, click File, then Exit. Word now closes. Now we shall learn how to format font. Open Microsoft Office Word 2003 again. Word allows you to format text. When you format a document, you change it to the way you want it to look. For this example, open Demo. Click File, Open. Search for the document, then click Open. First, highlight the first sentence by holding down the left mouse button and dragging it across the sentence. Click Format, Font. A dialog box comes up with all the choices you want the font to look. You can change the font style, size, and color. There are also other options to choose from. Click on any of the options. You can see a preview of what the font looks like in the preview box. Click OK. Cut, copy, and paste. You can move text around the document. This saves you time because you do not have to type over the same text again. You can do this with the Cut, Copy, Paste feature of Word. When you cut text, you remove it from that location and store it in the clipboard. When you copy text, you make a copy of it from that location and store it in the clipboard. When you paste text, you take a copy of the text in the clipboard and put it in the new location. To cut text, first highlight the text you want to cut. Click Edit, Cut. Move the mouse pointer to the new location by clicking on the area. To paste the text, click on the new location, click Edit, Paste. Note that the text is automatically pasted. To copy text, repeat the same process, but this time click Edit, Copy. Another easier option to do this is by clicking Ctrl+C function for copy and Ctrl+V for paste. To get to a new page, click Ctrl and Enter simultaneously on the keyboard. Word Art. If you want to give the fonts an extra special look, you can use Word Art. To use Word Art, click Insert, Picture, Word Art. Click on the option that you like, and then click OK. Type the text, and click OK. As you can see, the text is now in the special format. You can change the size of the text by clicking on it and adjusting it to your liking. Clip Art. Word allows you to add pictures to your document. One of the ways to add a picture is by using Clip Art. To use Clip Art, click Insert, Picture, Clip Art. You can type the name of the clip art on the window at the right of the screen and then click Go. If you didn't type anything and you click Go, a list of all the clip arts shows up. Click on any one to add it to your document. You can also add your own pictures to the document. To add your own pictures to the document, click Insert, Picture, from File. Look for the picture that you want to add. Click on the picture and then click Insert. Now we shall teach you about page numbering. Word allows you to number your pages. To number your pages, click Insert, Page Numbers. Choose how you'd like to number your pages by adjusting the position and alignment, and then click OK. Now we shall move on to autocorrect spelling and grammar. Word detects if you have spelled a word wrong or if the sentence is grammatically incorrect. If you had spelled a word wrong, you will see a red wavy line underneath the word. To correct it, simply right-click the word and click on the correct word. If the word used in a sentence is grammatically wrong, then you would see a green wavy line underneath the word. To correct the sentence, right-click on the word and then click on the correct word. Now we shall exit Word. If you want to save the document, click Yes. But for this example, click No. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for viewing.